Hello guys, my name is Angelos and they forced from the 10th world to kill me here in Germany. And this I make because of nothing, because they make beams on the they make these beams. I'm in silence and they give me they make their own art and beam this. This is not me. I have no feelings, no, I'm in silence all the time. This is from their beamings. Their beamings and shine arts. This is from them. And they make here in this areal, and this is from Ilhan there, and I'm normal. I say it again, I make 27 videos that I'm normal, and these guys will sell you dumb things, and will show you dumb and idiots. Thank you guys, bye.